Austin, Texas has experienced a major tech boom, and over the last few decades, Austinites have seen their hippie college town transform into a mecca of sorts for everyone from Midwestern computer science majors to Elon Musk. But how long will this last? Some recent articles have painted more bearish pictures of the Austin market. A Wall Street Journal article touched on how Austin is losing tech talent to the coast, and our own reporting shows that Austin's office pipeline, once among the hottest in the country, is drying up. Over the past few years, Austin has become one of the most prominent cities in the entire nation, attracting the attention of celebrities and normal folks alike. It boasts proximity to the outdoors, from Austin's own Barton Springs and the Greenbelt to places nearby, like Lake Travis and Texas's beautiful hill country. It has a great food scene, with probably the highest proportion of trendy restaurants converted from single-family homes in the entire country, and it's located in the middle of the US, convenient for remote workers chasing time zones and transplants who don't want to be a cross-country flight away from family. Most crucially, perhaps, is that it's historically been a rather affordable city. So why the bearish outlook? Recently, a report from VC firm Signal Fire suggested that big tech employment in Austin declined 1.6%, and startup employment 4.9% last year, while growing in San Francisco and New York. LinkedIn data paints a similar picture. Tech, information, and media workers moving from San Francisco to Austin declined by 23% year over year, and those moving from New York declined by 11% over the same period. This trend has been bolstered both by return to office requirements as well as the AI boom, an industry that is heavily centralized on the coast, and in particular Silicon Valley. That's a boom for the office markets in other cities, but in Austin, it's left some buildings struggling to find tenants and some investors leaning out. Local leaders defending Austin's status as a tech hub pointed out the inevitability of such a modest correction in hirings after the boom, noting that the decline in numbers pales in comparison to the 40% explosion in big tech employment and the 46% jump in jobs in software publishing, IT services, and computer systems design between 2018 and 2023. Likewise, Austin's startup ecosystem still ranks as fourth in North America. And in 2024, the city recorded a nearly 8% increase in tech GDP, second in growth rate only to Silicon Valley and more than double New York City's. It's not all bad news though. Austin has several firms looking to dig into data center development in the area, challenging the coastal AI supremacy. So, is this slowdown just a blip in Austin's path to tech hub dominance, or is this the first sign of a larger decline as workers return to the coast? Let us know what you think in the comments and follow The Real Deal for more.